It's 2025 and cyber threats have never been more advanced or more aggressive. So what actually happens if you skip antivirus software entirely? Let's find out. In 2024 alone, over 300 million new malware programs were detected. Skip antivirus software in 2025 and you're not just rolling the dice, you're basically handing the house your chips. Without antivirus, your device becomes an open door. The most common threats you'll face include phishing scams, fake emails and sites designed to steal your passwords, ransomware, hackers looking to encrypt your files and demand payment to unlock them, spyware, secretly tracking your keystrokes, stealing your banking info, and spying on your activity. It's not just about losing files, it's about losing trust. Your identity could be stolen, your accounts drained, and your private data leaked or sold. Some victims don't even realize that they've been hacked until weeks or months later. Cybercrime is no longer just a lone hacker in a basement. In 2025, we're seeing AI-powered attacks that can mimic voices, create convincing fake websites in seconds, and bypass traditional security faster than ever. That means outdated or no antivirus leaves you vulnerable in ways you've never experienced before. You lock your doors at night, right? Antivirus is your digital lock. Without it, your devices are wide open to anyone who wants to walk in. Even free basic protection is better than nothing. Think of it as the difference between leaving your house wide open and at least shutting the door. Going without antivirus in 2025 is like driving without seatbelts. Maybe you'll be fine, but if something happens, the damage can be devastating. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and follow for more cybersecurity tips, and check the links in the description for resources to help keep you safe online. Stay safe out there.